on the program, though. 24,840, 24,850 is where we are at on the Nifty. The Nifty Bank is starting about 0.28% lower, 54,840 or so. You've got the Sensex down about a quarter. You've got the small cap index down about 0.17. The mid cap index is down about 0.15% as well. More down than up is what you have. About 1,000 stocks are lower and about 700 stocks are higher at this stage. And Nifty losers are all at the bottom of the screen, but we should have a plate on all the pharma stocks specifically as well. Sun is there. Dr. Reddy's is there amongst losers. And Cipla is there as well. More down than up, but nothing dramatic, right? It's been a drift lower. The market yesterday on the Nifty at least broke some key averages. We'll have to see. 24,800 is the 61.8% retracement of the entire 1,000-point rally that we had from 24,400 to 24,500, 25,500 or so. So 24,800 by close, I think, is a level to watch for a confirmation one way or the other. So it's about 70 points lower to begin today's session. Surabhi.
Okay, let's take a look at what's down this morning. On the lower side, Sun Pharma straight away. The cut is about 5% as of now, 4.7% to be precise. The others have also been dragged lower. Cipla, Dr. Reddy's. Remember, it's the issue was sentiment and overhang. I mean, could it be, in some form, generics next? Could there be something more coming? And that's what's weighing on the entire pharma side of the market. Apart from that, some of the other names that are weak include Bajaj Finance, Shriram Finance. The NBFCs are starting lower. ICICI Bank is lower by about 0.8%. IT is in no great shape. TCS, Infosys, all on the red side of the screen. Wipro is lower by about 0.5% as well. The Accenture guidance is not inspiring too much confidence about the next couple of quarters. So that's where the cut is coming in. Some of the consumer names like Nestle and Titan also slightly lower. Even Trent for that matter. So consumer, IT, pharma, all on the lower side. Let's see what's working. L&T up 1.3%. BEL is continuing its good form from yesterday. Maybe we can also put up Hindustan Aeronautics. The stock yesterday was up just about 1% or so. Now it's up about 0.5%. And of course, metals have had a great week so far, and that story continues. JSW Steel, Hindalco still flashing a little bit of shine on the green side of the screen. Nigel.
Well, that's right. A few stocks that are deserving special mention. Finiotex Chemicals ahead of that board meet that they have scheduled. Stock is up 4.5%. Right. That stock, in fact, comes up in the screen. They bagged an $18 million order from South Africa. For the time being, big return. Size of the order not too large, but the street seems to be enthused on that one. So that's why you have RITES. That's up close to around 5.5%. Big move is what we're seeing. Bottom of the screen, Titan is calling for some attention. Massive large trade out there, 0.7% equity changing hands. We'll keep an eye out on that and try to get you further clarity on that front. Polycab, yes, we had JP Morgan Fund, MS, HDFC Life among the buyers as the promoter sold close to around 1.5% stake. So that stock as well comes up in the screen, holding with mild green as we speak. What else? Sun Pharma is under pressure. You have Lotus Laboratories that's under pressure. They're coming up in terms of the top losers on the downside. So both those two stocks should come up for you. Actually, the pharma index itself is under the weather. But going by what all we have, it'll be interesting to see whether or not we do end the low point of the day. We saw sentiment got hit on the tech space, and that index hasn't recovered all of this week. So let's keep an eye out on both those two indices. Shant.
Well, that's the lay of the land, right? It's down about 0.3%. And we've sort of continued on this slow drift lower after the high that the market made at about 25, what was it, 500? It was a nice 1,100 odd point move that we had. More in a bit.